Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we have something special: the best Enjoywood Laser Engraver, the E20 model. If you're a DIY enthusiast or small business owner looking to take your engraving and cutting projects to the next level, this is a machine you need to see. The Enjoywood E20 Laser Engraver is a 130W laser engraving machine with impressive 20W output power. It uses cutting-edge 46W laser coupling technology, which allows it to handle some serious work. This machine can easily cut through 12 to 15 mm tongue boards, 8 mm black acrylic, and even stainless steel sheets as thin as 0.05 mm. But it's not just about cutting. This engraver offers high precision, allowing you to get the smallest details right in your projects. One standout feature of the E20 is its upgraded compressed spot coupling technology. The laser focuses to a fine 0.08*0.1 mm spot size, which enhances both cutting power and engraving detail. This high-density laser can cut through wood up to 25 mm thick and black acrylic up to 30 mm thick. Whether you're working on intricate designs or need clean, deep cuts, the E20 is built to deliver better results in less time. Its cutting speed is 40% faster than other models, giving you a real productivity boost. When it comes to precision, the Enjoywood E20 doesn't disappoint. The machine features a 32-bit motherboard and a 256-bit color scale diagram, ensuring that every engraving is sharp and clear, with higher contrast. The structure design is sturdy and simple to assemble, making the E20 easy to set up and get started on your projects. The anodized aluminum alloy frame not only makes the machine more durable but also boosts engraving accuracy, giving you results that are both beautiful and professional. For added convenience, the Enjoywood E20 comes with an integrated air assist system. This built-in feature helps improve cutting accuracy and quality by minimizing smoke and heat buildup during engraving and cutting, which can often distort results. The air assist system is simple to use and doesn't interfere with the operation, providing a seamless experience from start to finish. One of the key safety features of the Enjoywood E20 is its new panoramic glass eye protection design. This special filter glass reduces harmful UV light by 97%, so you can safely watch your machine work without needing special goggles. Plus, in the event of an emergency, the E20 is equipped with an emergency stop button, ensuring that you can halt operations immediately if anything goes wrong. In summary, the Enjoywood E20 Laser Engraver offers power, precision, and safety all in one package. Whether you're cutting thick materials or engraving intricate designs, this machine makes it easier and faster, with added features that make your projects more accurate and professional. If you're serious about laser engraving, the E20 is a fantastic choice to help you take your creations to new heights. That's it for today's review of the Enjoywood E20 Laser Engraver. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest tools and gadgets. Thanks for watching.